3 sounds you hear come out of an Italian mouth. Andiamo. Now, Italians are known for talking with their hands, but there are some seemingly random sounds that come out of their mouth, but they have specific meanings. The first one is ehi. Now, this is usually used to show surprise. For example, ehi, cosa ci fai qui? Hey, what are you doing here? Or annoyance. For example, Conosco la Regina di Inghilterra. I know the Queen of England. Hey, come on. Number 2, Ehilà. Now, Ehilà is meant to attract attention or greet someone. For example, if you meet someone for coffee, they might greet you with a Ehilà, hey there. Number 3, ma. Now, ma is usually used to express doubt or uncertainty. For example, è riuscita a vincere? Did she manage to win? Ma. I don't know. It is also used to show disapproval. For example, si sono lasciati. They broke up. Ma.